ਗੁੱਡ ਮਾਰਨਿੰਗ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟਸ। ਬੇਟਾ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ 10th ਕਲਾਸ ਦੇ ਜੋ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਟੇਟ ਲੈਵਲ ਦੇ ਲਿੰਕ ਆ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਫ ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਦਾ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਤਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਮੈਕਸਿਮਮ ਇਸ 'ਚ ਲਿੰਕ ਕਵਰ ਹੋ ਪਾਏ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਤਾਂ ਜੋ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪ੍ਰੀ ਬੋਰਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ ਫਾਈਨਲ ਐਗਜ਼ਾਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਹੋ ਸਕੇ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਵਾਈਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੰਬੀ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਨਾ ਬਣੇ। ਤਾਂ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਲਿੰਕ ਜੋ ਨੰਬਰ 1 ਹੈ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਸਟਾਰਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ। ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ, who was sent to bring the two most precious things from the city? ਕਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਗਿਆ? ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਐਂਜਲ ਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਦੋਨੇ ਮੋਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਥਿੰਗਸ ਲੈਣ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਗਿਆ। ਤਾਂ ਪੂਅਰ ਸੀਮਸਟੈਸ ਵਾਸ ਗਿਵਨ ਦਾ ਡੈਸ਼ ਬਾਏ ਦਾ ਸਵੈਲੋ। ਹਾਂ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀ ਸਵੈਲੋ ਨੇ? ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਵਾਸ ਪੂਅਰ ਸੀਮਸਟੈਸ ਵਾਸ ਗਿਵਨ ਰੂਬੀ। The son of the seamstress was crying because he wanted to go to Egypt. No, ਇਜਿਪਟ ਕੌਣ ਜਾਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦਾ ਸੀ? ਸਵੈਲੋ, ਹੈ ਨਾ। ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਇਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? ਫਾਲਸ। ਲਿੰਕ ਨੰਬਰ 2, who ordered to pull down the statue of the happy prince? Answer is mayor. The drops were coming from the dash of the happy prince, from the eyes. The statue of the happy prince was decorated with diamonds. It's false. Quiz number 3. The man in the garret was writing a. Answer is play. Modern drugs have decreased the average span of life of human beings. It's decreased. No, it's false. Machines give us more and more hours of dash. Answer is leisure. Question number 4. Name 2 non-material things mentioned in the lesson. Answer is charity and mercy. According to the writer, science is doing less than nothing for material things. It's false. Which age group is overcrowded today? It's upper age group. Link number 5. Science has helped man to live longer. Which illustration was used by the professor of psychology? It's burning glass. Who declared to give sermon against fear? Gilberton Chesterton. Link number 6. Dash values are needed in the world today. Answer is moral values. The author found an elephant when he flung open the door. It's false. We should have faith that dash is always with us. Answer is God. Link number 7. Dash in God gives us real peace of mind. Faith in God. A happy man envies. Answer is none. A happy man obeys the rules of goodness. Link number 8. A happy man is afraid of death. It's false. Why are you weeping then? फिर तुसी रो क्यों रहे हो? Option C. They pulled down the statue of the happy prince. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਹੈਪੀ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸ ਦੇ ਬੁੱਤ ਨੂੰ ਹੇਠਾਂ ਡੇਗ ਦਿੱਤਾ। Option C. Quiz number 9. Name the poet of character of a happy man. It's Henry Wotton. I am waited for in Egypt. मेरा मिस्र ਵਿੱਚ इंतजार हो रहा है। Last option. Choose the correct option. Yours affectionately. Yours without apostrophe, first one. Quiz number 10. The signs of richness were everywhere in their house. It's false. It is very cold here. इत्थे बहुत ठंड है. Choose the correct option. Option 1. Quiz number 11. What did Della buy for Jim as a Christmas gift? Answer is watch chain. I have a golden bedroom. मेरे कोल सुनहरी सोन वाला कमरा है. Option B. Choose the correct option. I am in the pink of health. Quiz number 12. First is, the proud possession of Jim was his gold watch. It's true, so answer is gold watch. There is not a single cloud in the sky. आसमान ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਵੀ ਬੱਦਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ. Option B. Read the poster carefully and answer the question. Coronavirus / COVID-19 precautions. Catch it, bin it, then kill it. Avoid close contact with everyone who has fever and cough. Okay. So options. This poster is based on COVID-19 precautions. This poster is based on bird flu precautions. It's based on COVID-19 precautions. Option A. Quiz number 13. Who did not have enough money to buy a Christmas present? As we know, they both didn't have money. So both of them, Jim and Della, both of them. I didn't want to die. मैं मरना नहीं चाहता. C. Read the poster carefully and answer the question. Coronavirus / COVID-19 precautions. So we can see at the options. You should share your previous travel history with your teacher. In second, you should share your previous travel history with your healthcare provider. Yes, it is the answer B, because we can see here. You should share your previous health travel history with your healthcare provider. Okay, so answer is B. Quiz number 15. How many years did the earth take to cool down? Answer, millions. At night you see thousands of stars in the sky. ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਸਮਾਨ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਜ਼ਾਰਾਂ ਤਾਰੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹੋ. Option B. ਕੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਸਮਾਂ ਬਰਬਾਦ ਕੀਤਾ? Did you waste your time? Option C. Quiz number 16. All the hollows of the earth were filled with dash when it rained heavily. It were filled with water. In reality, our sun itself is the star. ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੂਰਜ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਰਾ ਹੈ. ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡਾ ਸੂਰਜ ਇੱਕ ਤਾਰਾ ਹੈ. Option first. ਕੀ ਉਹ ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਕੂਲ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ? Will he have reached the school? ਮੇਰੇ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ, before me. Option 1. Quiz number 17. Planets have natural satellites. Yes, it's true. We think the earth is very big. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਧਰਤੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡੀ ਹੈ. ऑप्शन बी नो 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 सानू लगता है कि धरती बहुत वड्डी है ऑप्शन सी अर्थ इज़ वेरी बिग ऑप्शन डी सानू लगता है कि धरती बहुत वड्डी है ऑप्शन डी मैं 2 घंटे तो पढ़ रहा होवांगा आई शैल हैव बीन रीडिंग फॉर 2 hours I shall have been reading for 2 hours. Quiz number 19. What need, said Pratap Singh and bowed his princely head. I have no caste, for I myself am bearing forth the dead. Name of the poem is A Ballad of Sir Pratap Singh. What was the need that Pratap Singh referred to? He referred to the need of the fourth bearer. Who is the dead referred to in the last line? It refers to his dead English friend. Quiz number 21. The author was a dash before he lost his eyesight. The author was a painter. The author knew that Naeem was also blind. No, it's false. Naeem urged the author to restart painting. Quiz number 22. Where the mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the word has not been broken up into the fragments by narrow domestic walls. Question 1. Who is the poet of the poem? The poet is Rabindranath Tagore. What does the poet want to be free in his country? He wants knowledge to be free in his country. What does the poet mean by narrow domestic walls? Narrow domestic walls refer to the division on the basis of caste and religion. Option B. Quiz number 23. And it's from poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. What is the name of this poem? The name of this poem is Where the Mind is Without Fear. By whom does the poet want the mind to be led? He wants the mind to be led by God. What does the poet want? The poet wants his country to have freedom. Quiz number 24. मैं कल अपने दोस्त दे घर गया. Yesterday I went to my friend's house. Option B. कि ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਮਾਤਾ ਜੀ ਖਾਣਾ ਬਣਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋਣਗੇ? Will your mother be cooking food? मैं ਉਦੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਸੜਕ ਪਾਰ ਕਰ ਚੁੱਕਾ ਹੋਵਾਂਗਾ. I shall have crossed the road by then. Option C. Quiz number 25. मैं 2 घंटे तो पढ़ रहा होवांगा. I shall have been reading for 2 hours. कि ਉਹ ਜਲੰਧਰ ਵਿੱਚ 1995 ਤੋਂ ਰਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੋਵੇਗਾ? Will he have been living in Jalandhar since 1995? Will he have been living in Jalandhar since 1995? Option first. कदे झूठ ना बोलो. Never tell a lie. Quiz number 26. बुरी संगत तो बचो. Avoid bad company. सदा सच बोलो. Always speak the truth. शोर ना मचाओ. Do not make a noise. क्विज नंबर 27। चुप रहो, कीप क्वाइट। उसनू बोलन दिओ, लेट हिम स्पीक। ऑप्शन सी। मैनू जान दिओ, लेट मी गो। लास्ट ऑप्शन, लेट मी गो। क्विज नंबर 28। चुप रहो, कीप क्वाइट। उसनू बोलन दिओ, लेट हिम स्पीक। मैनू जान दिओ, लेट मी गो। ऑप्शन फर्स्ट। क्विज नंबर 30। मेरी गल सुनो, लिसन टू मी। बकवास ना करो, डू नॉट टॉक नॉनसेंस। अपना समा बर्बाद ना करो, डू नॉट वेस्ट योर टाइम। लास्ट ऑप्शन। क्विज नंबर 31। आज बहुत गर्मी है, इट इज़ वेरी हॉट टुडे। आज मौसम बहुत सुहावना है, इट इज़ आ प्लेजेंट टुडे। इट इज़ वेरी प्लेजेंट टुडे। लास्ट ऑप्शन। अपनी किताबा खोलो, ओपन योर बुक्स। क्विज नंबर 33। दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है, दिल्ली इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया। साडी जमात विच 10 कुड़ियां हन, देयर आर 10 गर्ल्स इन आवर क्लास। देयर आर 10 गर्ल्स इन आवर क्लास। भारत त्योहारां दी धरती है, इंडिया इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स। इंडिया इज़ अ लैंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स। ऑप्शन बी। क्विज नंबर 38। A goldsmith is an artisan. Quiz number 38. A goldsmith is an artisan. She was released on bail, B-A-I-L. Will he dash this heavy loss bear? Quiz number 39. The dash of Mahabharat ruined the country. War. She has patiently dashed her troubles. Born, B-O-R-N-E. Her dash dress was beautiful. Bridal, B-R-I-D-A-L. Quiz number 34. Translation from Punjabi to English. मैं आज ठीक महसूस नहीं कर रही हाँ. I am not feeling well today. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰਨੀ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ. We should serve our country or our nation. Option 1. ਉਹ ਕਦੇ ਆਗਰਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ. He has never been to Agra. Quiz number 35. All dash her mother joined the party. All except, E-X-C-E-P-T. Don't dash your decision now. Don't alter, A-L-T-E-R. Rani will not dash this child. Rani will not adopt, A-D-O-P-T. Quiz number 37. He related an amusing incident. Her manners are amiable. Bad dash of liquor was soon felt. Bad effect. Quiz number 40. Kindly reserve a dash for me. Answer is berth. Berth. Can you dash this stick? Can you break? Break. Break. A dash was fired in the evening. Cannon. Cannon. Quiz number 41. Military tents are generally made of canvas. Canvas. Germs of dash of diseases. Answer is carrier. 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 Dash of your old shoes. Cast of your old shoes. Cast. Cast of your old shoes. Quiz number 42. Nobody likes her dash ways. Childish. This dash is good for a shop. This site is good. Site. Site. Loosen the dash of this pocket a bit. Loosen the cords. Cords. Quiz number 43. English vocabulary. The teacher finished the dash. Answer. The teacher finished the course. Course. Drinking is a bad habit. I have given her a dash for 1,000 rupees. I have given her a check. Cheque. Quiz number 44. English vocabulary. Your dash have helped me a lot. Your counsels. First one. I saw a dash in the zoo. I saw a deer. 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 He was found dash in the class. He was found dozing. Dozing. Quiz number 45. English vocabulary. Columbus dash America. Columbus discovered America. Jaundice is a common disease. Disease. The girl was dash in the sea. The girl was drowned in the sea. Quiz number 46. English vocabulary. Her failure is dash to her carelessness. Answer is her failure is due to due. She is an expert in dyeing. Dyeing. Rahul likes dash product. It's dairy. Dairy. Rahul like dairy product. So friends, this was all about the video, and if you liked the video, then subscribe the channel and like, share and comment here, and press the bell icon also, so that you can get a notification for every new video on this topic.